Don't have the resources to build an event website? Perenso's Market My Event platform allows us to manage and build event websites tailored to your specific needs, saving you both time and effort. Create multiple web pages with details of the event, event maps, and registration for all your users. All said and done, the sky's the limit. The vendor and customer registration process can be managed through our event websites, but utilize the iframe to embed to a website of your own. Capture details from your vendors such as sponsorship packages, booth fees, iPad requests, and more using our standard or dynamic survey questions. Utilize the same options for survey questions to capture key information from your customers. You can also manage the customer ordering access for those that have multiple accounts. Additionally, choose from more options to include in the registration experience. Take advantage of our notification tools to create branded emails and marketing campaigns through the various event stages to create engagement and excitement. Perenso's registration features offer a simple and seamless solution to manage event marketing and to capture your data needs.